A person invests a given amount of money in an account at 5% annual interest. Find the interest in 1 year. Now let's try that again. I highly recommend you read problems at least twice if they're word problems. A person invests a given amount of money in an account at 5% annual interest. Find the interest in 1 year. Okay, so something to keep in mind. For interest, we use the rate format. In other words, decimal format. Convert to a decimal, divided by 100 in other words. So in this case, our percentage, 5%, divided by 100, or you can also move the decimal place twice, right, if you put a decimal in there. So 5 divided by 100 gives us 0.05. And I actually add an extra 0, so it's visually easier to see where my decimal's at. So 0.05. So A, we're looking for $4,000. So if you invest $4,000 into a bank and they're going to give you 5% back, you are multiplying times the interest rate. Once again, rate format. So 4,000 times 0.05 would then give us, this is where your calculator comes in handy, $200. So once again, rough idea, your calculator, try your calculator, clear anything you might have. 4,000, 1, 2, 3 zeros, times 0.05. You can add the other zero if you want to before the decimal. So there is $200. Okay, so once again, keep in mind this is through simple interest. So if you invest $4,000 into an account that gives you 5% cash back, you get $200 at the end of the year, ideally. Or the opposite is also true. If you borrow money at 5% interest rate, you're more than likely paying $200. Keep in mind, this is simple interest, not necessarily quite the same as what typically most bank accounts charge for you. It's not simple, it's compounded. Slightly different. You'll get to see in a different class or video. Okay, so continuing on with B then. 5,000 times 0.05. Remember, it's the same interest rate. So if we multiply 5,000 times 0.05, hey, let's try with our calculator real quick. So I'll hit second, enter, and it'll copy my previous values that I enter. I'll go back to the 4, and really quick, instead of 4, I want to make it a 5. I'll push the button 5, and I'll hit enter. And there it is. It gives me $250. So $250 is what we'll be earning if we invest $5,000 into the bank. That's not bad, earning $250. And finally, C in general, we would say, well, the dollars times 0.05 will give you the interest that you're looking for depending on the case. So there's a general formula. You can plug in any amount, that's the D value representation, your variable, and it'll give you the interest rate.